Here we go with some chicken that's gonna be super tasty. Come right back for my lemon pepper legs with red pepper coulis. Keep it paleo. Okay, we got our lemon pepper love right here. And 1 tray of chicken legs, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 of them. Into the bowl, and then lemon pepper love. Enough to kind of give these a light coating on all sides. We'll go there. Quick squeeze of olive oil. Looks good. On the tray. And then same thing there, just kind of space these out. I'm gonna throw these in a convection oven at 350 till they reach like 175, 180 internal temp. They can handle a little bit more heat than say a chicken breast. So that's what we're going for, these in the oven. We've got 2 cups of roasted bell peppers right here. These are just out of the can. You can roast them on your own if you'd like. There's some videos on the site on how to do that. Anyways, these ones are just out of a can, keeping it simple. And I got 2 cloves of garlic here. We're gonna get those in with it. Lid on, and we'll blitz that. I'm gonna give it a little bit of coconut milk. About that much. And then this is almond flour. You could use almonds. We're just gonna use this to kind of bind it up, thicken it up, give us the consistency we want. 3 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons. Now I'm gonna give this maybe a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of red curry paste. This is my favorite one, May Ploy. And that's just gonna give a hint of flavor, gonna give it some heat, and it'll make people wonder, what the heck is that? What is in here, right? They're gonna wanna know. Just watch it if you don't like heat, because that does have a good amount of spice. With some salt. And then I'm gonna get some lemon. Kind of cut through. It does have a good amount of heat. This will help balance that out. And because we're adding a little bit of liquid, I think we need a little more almond flour. Another 2 tablespoons. I'm just gonna let that run, kind of smooth it out. So maybe I'll run it for 60 seconds. While I was putting away the almond flour, I found some raisins. And my thought when I tasted this was that it's got, maybe I had a tad too much curry paste. It's kind of hot. Some sweetness would be great. So let's throw some raisins in there. This will also help thicken it and give it the sweetness I was looking for. Awesome, we're gonna let that rest until our chicken is done. All right, here we are, hot chicken. We actually got this up to 190 and looks delicious, don't you agree? I got a platter here. I'm gonna show you how I would serve these family style. And then for the sauce, a couple options, right? You could do oh wait, I gotta get this. Look at this, staring right at me. The best parts. Oh yeah, that's good. With sauce, you could have a little cup on the side. I'm gonna drape it right over the top here. And then you could still have a cup on the side, but this is gonna kind of give each piece a little action. And then I've got some Asian bias cut scallions here. Just throw that on as a garnish. And there we have it, something so simple, our lemon pepper chicken. Get some lemon pepper love, it'll make your life easy, right? This looks, I would say it looks pretty gourmet. It looks better than what you might see on the average display at a potluck or family gathering. I'm gonna throw that out there because I think it does. So give this one a shot, you guys. Let your family members' taste buds know that Nick is here to help them keep it paleo.